Okay, so here's the latest creation that we made here. It is the 2020 protest scene. Of course, we're not going to get too political. It's not Black Lives Matter, it's Brick Lives Matter. And we'll go take a further detail in each thing. You can see some people are wearing masks. They're trying to be socially distant. Got a couple of signs. Oh, we got some guy here. He is collecting some cans out of the garbage can through here. Again, people are being responsible, wearing some masks and whatnot. The hair salon barbershop is a set. I did not make that. I just added it to the street scenes. But I did, of course, make the subway stop and movie posters in through here. Some signs to be social distance and wear a mask when you can. And made the parking meter in through here. Of course, you do have the counter protesters with the MAGA Make America Great Again hats. Of course, they tend to be fully armed for whatever reason. Looks like they're getting in an argument with these protesters over through here. Again, police right now just hanging out, making sure everything is copacetic. This cop over through here has found this gentleman up in here doing some graffiti up on the wall. And then, of course, over here you got some Santa is here. He's getting some Chinese food. And what you have through there. And what you have over through here.
You might want to hold on to something.
Yeah, hold on to something. Got a little COVID party. Guy in the chicken suit is bringing some donuts. Fully stocked party with pizza, egg rolls, some shrimp. Bar fully stacked. Because it is a COVID party, the plague doctor here has brought a positive patient. And then you wind up getting her getting ready to kiss. Over through here, she's got a pen and he's drawing over his face. He's obviously passed out. And that's the scene over through here. And then, of course, with any kind of party, got a little extra here, Mickey and Stay Puft getting a little lit up in through there. And that's the back door. Party. And that's the 2020